Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther, and if you're new here, please subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. So today we're going to be making stewed goat meat, and this is not the goat meat, it's not goat meat stew, but this is stewed goat meat you can use to eat your jollof rice, or if you don't want much stew in your white rice, you want to just eat a lot of meat and some white rice, you can use it. Even white yam, you can just use it how you want it. So we have our goat meat, this is about 50 pieces, and we have our onions and the spices. This is thyme, stock cubes, garlic powder, chili powder, salt, and I'm just going to pour everything right inside there, and I'm going to pour my grinded onions. In my previous video, the jollof rice video, I told us that this method is very, very good. If you're cooking meat in bulk, try to grind your onions. It gives it another flavor, and you want to try it. So I'm going to go ahead and mix it because it's bulky. So I'm going to go ahead and mix it so that both those that are down, they can get the ingredients. And if you've watched my jollof rice video, you will know that this recipe was for a client. Yes, I cook for people, so this was for a client. Yeah, have you subscribed yet? Please subscribe and turn on your notification button so that anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. So yes, after turning it, I'll go ahead and put it on fire, and allow it to cook. When it has cooked for some time, I'll come back and turn it again, just so that those up will go down and the ones down will come up, just to get everything evenly. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn and turn. Yes, I tasted it to make sure the ingredients were okay for the meat. And I'm going to allow it cook. Our meat is ready right now, and I'm going to sieve the meat so that we can, get out the water. Remember, we don't really need the stock in this recipe, although a little bit of it will do us some good. So I'm going to go ahead and sieve the goat meat. Yes, now we'll finish sieving our goat meat. We'll put our oil on fire. We're frying this meat, and I go ahead and add my onions, both for flavor, and you can say to test the oil, but it is mostly for the flavor that onions give. Like, thank God for creating onions. The flavor these onions bring is something else. So I go ahead and pour in my meat and fry. Frying this meat is I would say it is based on preference. Some people want their meat still really juicy after frying. Some people really want it nicely fried. Some people want it somewhere in the middle. But for this client, I was making it to be nicely fried. That kind of when you go to Nigerian it's not really restaurants. You know how they put those peppered meat in the oh my god, I can't remember those words. Yeah, our meat is ready, nicely fried, and it is ready. When they put those meat in the showcase and you try to eat it, and it is so nice and dry. Yes. So now we're going to be making our sauce. I have my tomatoes, my red bell pepper, and I have my onions, of course. And if you've been watching me in this channel, you will know that my bag is important to me whenever I'm doing anything. It helps me to do things neatly, and pack up things in no time. You see how I just tied it so easily. So I've washed it. I'm going to cut them into small pieces, and yeah, I'm going to blend them, just getting them ready for our stewed goat meat. Now this particular onions is for the frying, to prepare the goats, to prepare the sauce, the stew for the goat meat. So I'm going to add some oil. I think this is canola oil. I'm going to add some oil, add my onions, and add some thyme. See, try adding thyme when you're frying frying or sauteing your onions, and thank me later. Like, the flavor this thing gives is not here. So yes, I add my tomato blend, the tomatoes, the red bell pepper, and the onions, and allow it to simmer a little bit. Here I was checking and it wasn't ready, and now it is ready. Yeah, there's nothing again I did. I just put it on fire, and this was what I got. I'm going to add my stock cubes. I just added 1 stock cube, and this is a curry powder, this is garlic powder, onion powder. I added a tiny bit of water, and this is my meat stock. Yes, I added some meat stock, and I'm going to add some Cameroon pepper. It's not just for it to be peppery, just for the flavor, just for that balancing of flavor. And yeah, I allowed it to simmer a little bit, and I added our goat's meat. Did you see that? Have you subscribed? Please subscribe, and share. Let's grow. Yeah, I'm gonna turn. As I'm even making this video, editing it, and I'm just remembering when I cooked it. It was so good. It was really, really good. So after turning it, I'm going to allow it to simmer just for a little bit. And yeah, it is ready. Turn it again, and you have it, your stewed goat meat. Try this with jollof rice, and you will love it. So right here, I was dishing it out for my customer. Yeah, and she really loved it. In fact, my mom tasted it, and in fact, they've been asking me to do it again. Oh my god. But when something is not business, to do it will be hard. Yeah, so this is our goat meat, and it is tasty, it is delicious. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay in God. I love you. My daughter will say I love you. Bye.